How to change your Facebook account phone number, or how to change your phone number on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your phone number or how to change your Facebook account phone number. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Facebook application. Make sure you are updated to the latest version. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and once you do so, you want to tap on the settings or the gear icon that you can see there. Once you do so, you can see the very first option, account, and under it you can see personal and account information. Right, you want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see the second option that says contact info, manage your phone numbers and email addresses. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see the phone number option here. You can simply tap on add phone number option, and then you want to add in your new phone number. And once you add in your new phone number, you want to go ahead and delete the previous one. So you can simply tap on it, and here you'll get the option to delete once you add another one. So this is the way you can change your phone number on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.